Hey everyone, hello and welcome back to Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. In today's video, I am going to show you some interesting jewelry. I am going to show you some luxury bangles. I am going to show you some Meenakri bangles and also some beautiful jhumki earrings which are in the combination of Kundan and Meenakri, which looks really very gorgeous to see. And that's the reason why I want to show you this beauty to you guys on today's video. So stay tuned till the end of this video while I show you this awesome collection from Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Starting with the first Meenakri bangle here. This is most of the kada bangles which actually brides wear during their wedding ceremony. This is that one beautiful family kada bangle which is really very authentic and also handcrafted to perfection. The whole piece has kundan kind of a design with uncut diamonds and also polkis of different shapes and size with beautiful enamel work here which is in mint green color, which looks really very beautiful. And towards outside we have given this kind of pearl detailing. It looks very pleasing to see, and if you see the beautiful Meenakri work here, you can see the Meenakri work towards inside also in the bangle, and you have this kind of a screw which you can easily open and you can wear it after opening this. So basically anybody who wants to wear this kind of kada bangle can wear it. It's not at all problematic. Just look at the shine of this beautiful Meenakri Kundan kada bangle which is handcrafted to perfection inch to inch. Coming to the product specification, the gross weight of this is 97 grams and the price of this is 3,90,000 rupees approximately. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards next accessory is this gorgeous kada bangle. Again, just look at the screw at the top. You can easily open this kind of a screw and wear it on the wrist, which will look really very elegant. Towards the front we have given this kind of beautiful polkis, and on the top we have given cut diamonds, and at the back you can see this kind of beautiful mesh work. So it looks very nice to see because of the design and the way this piece is handcrafted to perfection. And if I rotate it, just look at the way this shines. That itself will show you the quality of polkis and cut diamonds used in this beautiful bangle cum kada. If you like this piece and if you want to place the order, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. And the price of this beautiful bangle cum kada is 4,90,000 rupees approximately. Moving ahead towards the next piece is this beautiful statement harem. Look at the beautiful pearl thread work here which is designed in a form of a thread. Uniform white pearl here of same shape which are actually designed into a bridge kind of a pattern to make it a uniform harem. And on top of this, which is a base, we have added kundan here. So towards the side you can see this kind of kundan detailing in pure 22 karat gold with uncut diamond and also emeralds. And then you can see floral pattern in kundan which is again given pearl detailing. And towards the bottom we have given this beautiful big size precious stones in teardrop pattern which looks very gorgeous to see. If you see the pearls also, they are very small, and the wire work in this pearl is not made of gold, it is made of silver alloy base. And on top of that also, if you see on the top, we have given this kind of kundan detailing here again in pure 22 karat gold which has this beautiful polkis and also precious stones. And then you can easily attach it with this screw with the help of a tassel like this, and you can wear this beautiful statement harem. Usually not many people know that in pearl detailing also kundan jewelry is available. This is for all the jewelry watchers who love pearl jewelry and you want to mix pearl jewelry with kundan jewelry. So this is for you guys. If you want to blend two beautiful pieces together, this is for you. So here we are blending pearl with pure 22 karat gold to make it look this artistic harem which you can wear as a bride, which will make you look like that statement diva who can set a record after wearing this beautiful harem. Coming to the product specifications, The net weight of this is 98.5 grams, and the price of this beautiful pearl harem is 5,90,000 rupees approximately. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the next set is this beautiful moissanite set, which has this beautiful triple layered beaded moissanites. Just look at the quality here, because Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond sells this kind of tested and certified precious stones from the Gemological Institute of India, and you can experience that in this beautiful choker that I am wearing. Just look at the way it just matches with my sari, and pink color stone is actually every girl's favorite. So if you want to go and you want to buy this kind of piece, a lot of varieties are available here at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond. Not only moissanite, you have tanzanite, you have blue sapphire, you have emerald. A lot of precious stones are available here, and it comes in a matching pair of hanging earring. If you see, it's following the same kind of a pattern, but what we have done here is we have mixed kundan with Meenakri work here to give you that amplifying look which you can carry as a bride to amp up your wedding look completely. Now this kind of piece will set you a statement piece which you can wear on your ghangras or even on your wedding sari, but I think it will make more sense if you wear this kind of pieces to your cocktail parties also. Women of any age group can wear this. It's really very timeless. Coming to the product specifications, the price of this beautiful choker and earring is coming close to 5 lakh rupees approximately. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Moving ahead towards the next accessory is this beautiful Chandbali Meenakri hanging earring. It has beautiful work of kundan here in the front, and if you see, you have polkis, you have precious stones, you have seed pearls, and also this precious stones dangling at the bottom, which adds up to the look of this beautiful Chandbali if you see. And towards the back it has this kind of Meenakri work again. It looks very, very nice to wear this kind of a piece, and the weight of this is 59 grams. There are a lot of varieties like this in Chandbali hanging earrings at Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, and the price of this beautiful Chandbali earring is 2,60,000 rupees. But if you want to know the exact prices, please contact the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Alright friends, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this beautiful accessories from Jagdamba Pearl Gold and Diamond, where I have shown you kundan bangle with Meenakri, regular kada bangle, Chandbali hanging earring, and also the statement pearl harem, which looks really very gorgeous and not something that you might have seen before, because in that pearl harem we have blended that with kundan and Meenakri work, which looks really very unique and different to wear. So if you want to wear this kind of statement pieces on your wedding day or on any of your wedding ceremonies, please feel free to contact us on the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen, or you can even DM us on Instagram. If you're located in an international country also, we're shipping our products over there as well. So before we end the video, please do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit on the bell notification, follow us on Instagram too, so that you stay tuned for more updates. Thank you. Bye-bye.